Hello, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and today we're diving into the world of adjectives. If you're learning English at AB1 level, this episode is perfect for you. Adjectives are words that describe nouns, helping us add color and detail to the people, places, or things we're talking about. They answer questions like what kind, which one, or how many, and they're essential for making our descriptions clearer and more interesting. Let's look at some examples. If I say, she has a beautiful smile, the adjective beautiful tells us what kind of smile she has. Or they live in a small town, the adjective small gives us an idea of what kind of town it is. In he's a brave person, brave shows a characteristic of the person. Adjectives can be especially useful in storytelling and conversations because they help paint a clearer picture of the things we're talking about. In daily life, adjectives come up everywhere. Think about phrases like, I had a delicious meal, we visited an old building, or she wore a bright dress. Adjectives add life to these simple statements by giving us specific details about the experience or appearance of something. And remember, adjectives don't change based on singular or plural nouns. They're always there to describe the noun just as it is. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and leave a review. Your feedback helps more English learners discover our show. Keep practicing your English, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.